Start.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to solve some numericals based upon our previous topic related to mass spring system. So the first numerical is the example 10.2, in which we are given that a spring has a spring constant of 48 Newton meter per meter. This spring is pulled to a distance of 55 centimeter from equilibrium position. What is the restoring force? So we are given that the spring constant is 48 Newton per meter. So spring constant is denoted by K. So I will put it in given data that K is equal to 48 Newton per meter. The other quantity that is given is the displacement. So I will write displacement X is 55 centimeter. Here C represents the prefix for century, which factor is 10 power minus 2. So this value will become as X is equal to 55 multiply 10 power minus 2 meter. By converting centimeter into meter, you can write it as this C is equal to 10 power minus 2. Now in required data we have to calculate the restoring force. So restoring force is denoted by F with subscript RES and with a sign of interrogation. So we will use the formula as Hooke's law, formula plus calculation. So by using the formula that restoring force is equal to minus Kx, as we have proved in our previous topic. So F restoring will be equal to minus K की value of K is equal to 48 multiply X. So the value of X is 55 multiply 10 power minus 2. By multiplying these two quantities, that is 45 multiply 55, we will get 2640 multiply 10 power minus 2. As decimal point is here, by shifting it to 2 decimal point, so our next step will be minus 26.40 multiply 10 power 2 multiply 10 power minus 2. These two values will cancel with each other, while the answer to this example will be a restoring force equal to minus 26.40 Newton. This minus sign shows that the restoring force is directed exactly opposite to the displacement. If the displacement is given to, in the right direction, then this much force is acting on the mass at left side is 26.4 Newton. Now we are going to solve assignment 10.2, in which we have to determine the restoring force. We have to determine the restoring force, so it will be written in the required data, that is restoring force has to be calculated. And we are given the displacement, that is 1.5 meter. So displacement is represented by X, which is 1.5 meter, while the spring constant is represented by K, which is 30 Newton per meter. Now using the same equation, that is F restoring is equal to minus Kx, putting the values, we will get the answer, that is minus K value of K 30 multiply displacement value is 1.5. So F restoring will be equal to minus 15 0 equal to 0, while 15 multiply 3 equal to 45. After one digit we will use decimal point, so our required answer is minus 45.0 Newton. Again the negative sign is for opposite direction to displacement. Now the next example is 10.3, in which we have to calculate the mass of the mass spring system. So I will write this mass in required data. While we are given that the time period of mass spring system is 2 seconds, so time period is represented by capital T and its value is 2 seconds, while the spring constant has a value of 20 Newton per meter. Spring constant is denoted by K with a value of 20 Newton per meter. So here we will use the formula of time period for mass spring system, which is written as T is equal to 2 pi square root m divided by K. Here we have to calculate the value of m, so we will have to square both sides first. squaring both sides, so we will get the t whole square equal to 2 pi square root m by k whole square. Here it will become t square, while this square is for 2 pi as well as for square root m by k. So it will become t square equal to 4 pi square and multiply m by k, because the square will cancel the square root. Now multiplying both sides by k over 4 pi square to eliminate this term. So multiplying both sides by 4 pi square, k divided by 4 pi square. So here k multiply t square divided by 4 pi square equal to 4 pi square multiply m divided by k multiply k divided by 4 pi square. So here the same terms will cancel with each other, while we will write the equation as m is equal to this term k multiply t square divided by 4 pi square. Now putting the values, m is equal to, here the value of k is 20, so I will write 20 multiply value of time period is 2, so 2 whole square, as there is a square on time period, divided by 4 and 2 pi square, the value of pi is 3.14 and with a square on it. So it will become m is equal to 20 multiply 2 square is equal to 4 divided by 4, and the squaring this term it will give 9.85. Now cancelling these 4 and 4, m is equal to 20 divided by 9.85. This division gives the answer, that is 2.03, while the unit for mass is kilogram. So this is our required answer for this example. Now we are going to solve the assignment 10.3, in which we are given the mass of the object, which is 0.2 kilogram. So m is equal to 0.2 kg, while the spring constant has a value of 4 Newton per meter here. So k will be equal to 4 Newton per meter, and the required data is the time period of the mass spring system. Time period is denoted by capital T, and it has to be found. So by using the formula of mass spring system is T is equal to 2 pi square root m divided by k. So we have just to put the values and calculate them, as there is no simplification. So T is equal to 2 and to 3.14 square root m, value of m is 0.2 divided by value of k, which is 4. So T is equal to, multiplying these two terms we will get the answer as 6.28, while dividing these two terms we get the value as 0.05. Now taking the square root of 0.05, it will give you the value of 0.223. 0.223. Multiplying these two values, we get the required answer is 1.40. Now putting the unit for time period, the unit of time period is second, denoted by s. So it is our required answer for the assignment 10.3. That's enough for today.